Okay, so to continue in this horizontal major axis, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. And the equation of a horizontal ellipse is such that x minus h quantity squared divided by a squared, because x-axis is horizontal and it's the longest, so the a, the distance between horizontal, the center and the vertex is on the horizontal axis, so that goes under the a, under the x, and then y minus k squared, which is the vertical axis, gets b. So y goes with b squared, x goes with a squared, and this is equal to 1. Okay, so let's look at a vertical major axis situation. Here we have a, which is the longest distance. The distance between center and the vertex is still a, so defined as a, and center, the distance between center and the co-vertex is b. The distance between center and the focus is c. We still have the Pythagorean relationship. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared, and a is larger than b because it's along the major axis. And in this case, vertical axis is the major axis, so y gets the a, the long side, and x gets the short side. So the equation is x minus h squared over b squared, and y minus k squared over a squared equals 1. So just notice the difference between these two. Okay, so here is sort of kind of a long explanation of major axis, minor axis, and how the parabola is derived, but we're not going to spend too much time on that at this point. I just want to go into okay, so here's another where center example of where center is at 0, 0, and this is a horizontal, a major axis, the equation of the parabola, and it's the same situation but a vertical axis, vertical major axis, and the a squares just switches sides, goes under the y squared. Okay, so let's do an example. Okay, here is an example. I give you the equation, and we're reverse engineering the parabola. So x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 equals 1. That means a squared is 25, b squared is 9. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 3, and that gives us the vertex and the co-vertex. So center is at 0, 0. A is the center to vertex, so you go up 5, so one of the vertices is 5, 0. The other vertex is at negative 5, 0. Now, B is the vertical distance to the co-vertex. So from 0 up 3, so 0, 3 is one of the co-vertices, and negative 3, 0, negative 3 is the other co-vertex. Now, for the foci, I need the focuses. To find the foci, I need C. To find C, I need to use my Pythagorean relationship, which is a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared, because a is the longest side in this case. So to solve this using Pythagorean, and c is 4. So my foci are negative 4, 0 and 4, 0.